It's a story of 25 years. 1989, RAK Ceramics was established in Ras Al Khaimah by His Highness Sheikh Saud bin Sakr Al Qasimi with the vision to make it #1 ceramics brand in the world. RAK Ceramics currently is a ₹7,000 crore global conglomerate that supplies its products to over 160 countries. RAK is officially recognized as the world's 4th largest tile manufacturer and Asia's largest tile manufacturer. It has a global annual production output of 300,000 square meters per day of ceramic and vitrified tiles, 50 million pieces of bathware and 20 million pieces of tableware. RAK Ceramics enjoys technological superiority as it has 14 state-of-the-art plants across UAE, Bangladesh, India and Iran. RAK Ceramics established in India in 2006 with a vision to manufacture tiles and bathware that would meet the highest standards of quality and beauty. The company has more than 8,000 designs, making it among the largest range of products globally. In India, RAK Ceramics has the largest and most modern vitrified tile manufacturing plant in Samalkot in Andhra Pradesh with a manufacturing capacity of 30,000 square meters of vitrified tiles and 3,000 sanitary ware pieces per day. The plant is the one of its own kind in India, using the magical sorting machines that checks for errors up to 1 millimeter in each and every tile. And our manufacturing units are surrounded by a green cover that minimizes the effects of greenhouse gases and water treatment plant that allows the reuse of water in the manufacturing process. Recently, in July 2017, RAK India has entered in a joint venture manufacturing facility near Rajkot, Gujarat, which will produce 3 million square meters of ceramic tiles. It is a state-of-the-art facility, and with immediate ongoing expansion it will hit 6 million square meters producing by December 2017. The plant is equipped with latest digital machines which can produce different surface finish such as luster, sugar and reactive finishes. RAK never compromise with the quality of the product and ensure that final product has been through the stages of testing in their own laboratories. RAK offers approximately 944 SKUs in ceramic tiles, 405 SKUs in vitrified tiles. It's our constant endeavor to ensure customer delight through pioneering research work and highly innovative manufacturing techniques.
The first thing which we have always considered is RAK, because we know RAK means premium, and when we talk to our customers also that we are using RAK, they get the trust that the developer is using the premium brand.
RAK Ceramics offers the widest range of tiles and sanitary ware to its customers. Each RAK tile is characterized by high durability, easy maintenance, resistance to chemicals. Currently, RAK has a network of 14 exclusive company showrooms and over 800 dealers across India. RAK has been creating the architectural wonders since 2 decades. Our courage has enlightened and empowered the path of being part of successful projects in India.
RAK Ceramics brand is known to me for many years. We had dealt with RAK Ceramics. We have used their products for all of our various projects. We found very satisfactory about that. Also, we found that the supply chain, the supply system is quite consistent. We are happy that not only supply, after sales services are quite consistent. We love to work with RAK Ceramics and wish them all the best.
RAK has been working with a strong vision and dedication worth to be recognized at the most prestigious global levels.
RAK Ceramics India is in existence since 2000 with a 17-year history and a production facility in Andhra Pradesh. We are well placed to service Indian customer as we are the only MNCs existing in India in tile sphere. We are here to service all segment of the Indian customers. We are the single largest company in India which can produce a largest format of tile of 10 feet by 5 feet, which is not there in India by anybody else. Because this is the largest spender in R&D and technical innovations across the world in tile. RAK stands for the Young India.
We are also actively enhancing our footprint by opening company-owned orientation centers, dealer outlets and multi-brand outlets across the country. RAK Ceramics is now ready to floor the market and clad its way to success.